If you want to get Discord server tags, I'm going to show you the quickest way to do it step by step. This is a really useful feature if you want to personalize your profile inside a server and display the tag that matches your community or role. And if this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple Discord tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Discord and make sure you join a server that actually has server tags enabled. Keep in mind, not every server will have this option, so you'll need to be inside the right server before you can choose a tag. Once you've joined the server, look to the bottom left corner of Discord where your username is displayed. Next to your username, click the user settings icon. This will open your account and profile settings inside Discord. From there, scroll down through the settings menu until you find the section called server tag. When you see it, click the drop down menu to open the available tag options. Now select the tag you want to use. Depending on the server, you may see different choices, so pick the one that best fits what you want to display. After selecting your tag, don't forget the final step. Click Save Changes to apply it to your profile. Once you do that, your Discord server tag will be updated and visible in the server, and that's it. You've now learned how to get Discord server tags in just a few clicks. If this tutorial helped you out, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Discord guide.